Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to recover and reactivate your Bybit account if it has been deactivated or banned. The process is pretty simple, but there are a few things you need to know before you start. When you head to the Bybit login page on either the web or the mobile app, just enter the email or phone number linked to your deactivated account, like you normally would, and tap Login. Instead of taking you into your dashboard, Bybit will redirect you to a message saying the account has been banned. Don't panic. Right under that message, you'll see an option called Request to Unban, and that's where the recovery process begins. Once you tap it, Bybit will ask you to complete the usual security verification. After you pass that, submit the request. If the system checks your account and finds no signs of unusual activity, your reactivation will go through automatically. You'll be able to access your account again, but keep in mind that withdrawals, including crypto transfers, fiat withdrawals, and P2P, will be temporarily disabled for 24 hours. This is just a security measure. If, on the other hand, the system detects something suspicious, Bybit will redirect you to the self-service unban page. Here, you'll be asked to provide additional information or documents depending on your account status. This can include identity confirmations, ownership proofs, or other verification details. Upload everything clearly, refresh the page before submitting if you've been inactive for a while, and send your documents in. After that, Bybit's team will review everything, which usually takes around 5 to 7 business days. Once they approve it, your Bybit account will be fully reactivated and you'll be able to sign in normally again. That's the full process for recovering a Bybit account. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel for more guides, and I'll see you in the next video.